channel. This is Bliss to Win Kitchen. In this kitchen today, I am going to show you how to fry akara. In Nigeria, we call it akara. Well, I can say in English, you can call it beans cake. But I'm not sure what it's called in English anyway, but that's what I call it, beans cake. It's akara, so it's made out of beans, normal beans. You can see this is just beans, and that's it. You can use the white one, you can use the colored one, but in this kitchen today I'm using the white one. So I have already peeled and washed it properly, soaked it. I soaked it like for some hours. Let's say you can do it in the evening and soak it all night. In the morning it's gonna be okay. So washed it, peel off the beans, peel the back, and then use the inside part of it. So in this, I'm going to blend it, and then I'm just doing the plain one. I'm not gonna add anything to blend it with. I'm just gonna blend it as it is, white. Then I'll add my onions as desired, and I chopped pepper. This pepper I chopped it, and I sliced my onions. So these are the two here, because I have a family that some of them want it plain, some want it with onion, some want it with onion and pepper. So that's why I make it separately that way. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to blend my beans. Add it to the blender. Add some water, not too much water, but you can add water as you go, because it's not gonna be so thick and it's not gonna be very light either. If it's both, it won't come out nice. So you make sure it's not that thick and it's not that watery. Oh, I forgot to cover it. I want to check it. Yeah, it's a bit watery, so I'll add some beans. Add a little bit of water because it's too thick now. Yes, it's perfect. Not thick, not too thick, and not watery. That's the perfect consistency I'm looking for. So it's not thick, very thick, and it's not watery. So I'm going to go ahead now and pour it in a bowl. So that's what I got. So now my beans is blended, and I'm going to divide it into two. My reason being, like, to fry akara, you have to put salt. but salt is basically the last thing sometimes you put, because otherwise it will not hold. So I'll divide it into two, because I want to fry the plain one. There's nothing except salt in, and then I'll add onions to some of them, and then I'll add onion and pepper for the taste, because for the people I'm frying for, that's what some doesn't like it, anything to be inside. So I divide it before I put salt, and I'll put salt for that one when I need it. So I'll put salt, stir it, and then I will test it and see if the salt is enough. Yeah, the salt is enough. So meanwhile, I've already put oil on the fire. So I'm using a frying oil, and you have to test. I have to test if it's hot already. Yeah, when you put the akara balls and it just goes up immediately, that means the oil is ready for frying. So my oil is ready for frying. So I'm gonna put according to how many I want it. So this is the plain one I'm doing now. There's nothing in it. There's no onion. There's no pepper. Just plain. So it's ready now. It's brownish. It's done. So I guess it's much ready. So now I'm going to add the other one, and before you put another one, make sure the fire is at lowest, so that it won't be too hot, or you can even put it off a bit so that it won't be too hot for the next frying one. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to add my onion to the remaining one, and then I'll fry some, then I'll add the pepper as well. So the one I put aside, I'm going to add salt. And stir it. And then test it. A little bit of salt. don't use too much salt when I'm cooking, so I don't really like salt. So make sure you put salt and test it, and if it's okay for your taste, then that is okay. Yeah, I guess it's okay now. Just a little bit more. That's it. Now add my onion, sliced onion. Mix it. Then when I fry some out of it, then I'll add the remaining. I will add my remaining this thing, the pepper, because not everybody wants the pepper. Put my fire back on. Trying to join each other, and I'm trying to separate them. You can as well make it smaller or bigger, depends on your choice. The balls. That's the size I want. So I'll add pepper for the remaining. I've added the pepper, so I'll stir it. If you like spicy food, you will definitely like to add the pepper at the beginning. So it all depends on your choice and your family choices. So that's it. That's the whole concept. It's all done, ready for eating. You can actually eat it with pap, known as akamu, or you can eat it with bread, or you can even do custard and eat it, or you can eat it on its own. It's so delicious and very simple and easy to make for your family, friends, and wherever, maybe your parties, in a ceremony. Is very simple. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and like my video and share them with your family and friends. Thank you guys. See you next in my video. God bless.